I want to use the Prime Minister to help me in making my call, because he established the principle and the protocol which created a precedence on which former Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson was relieved of his duties. October 21, 2015, Opposition leader Andrew Holness has joined those calling for the head of Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson over the death of 18 babies at two of the country's hospitals as a result of bacterial infection. He said Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller should stop protecting Ferguson and fire him. I commend these words to Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Stop protecting Dr. Tufton and fire him. October 21, Mr. Holness hosting again. Jamaica's health system cannot afford Fenton Ferguson anymore. He must go. Over to you, Prime Minister. We're therefore calling for the immediate resignation of the Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Tufton. If Dr. Tufton refuses to do the ethical and resign, the Prime Minister must relieve him of his duties as Health Minister. There have been too many catastrophes associated with the Ministry of Health. We cannot allow the continued mismanagement and lack of accountability to go on in the Ministry of Health. How many more people, how many more babies should die before something is done to address the woeful condition of our health sector? For over 6 years, the Ministry of Health has been plagued with report after report, scandal after scandal, tragedy after tragedy under Dr. Tufton's stewardship. Time come for him to resign, and he must do so immediately. Jamaica's health sector cannot afford Minister Tufton anymore. Over to you, Prime Minister.